This box isn't even open yet and I'm super excited about it. Why am I excited about it? Well, let me tell you, because this is an $825 beater box from Sole Supremacy, and boxes in this price range have been by far the best. So, watch the intro and then listen to me spiel, and then we'll open the box. Hi, hello, welcome to another edition of Beater Box Friday, hosted by me, the Sneaker Boomer. It's something that someone said in a Discord chat, and now I'm using it because why not? I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And directly below that is my website. It's sbmitch.com. Today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box for sale. And some other stuff too, if you really want to check it out. Hey! Hi, pals! I pointed so you know I'm saying it to you. Like I said in the intro, this is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy on social media platforms. This is just a box of mystery shoes in various sizes and conditions that we flip for money, because that's what this whole premise is. The channel is basically based on these. This box was $775 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $825. As I said in the intro, this range of box has always been the best for me. But hey, follow along with the counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're going to break it down at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is really worth. And keep in mind that the prices that pop up on your screen are just the market value. That's not how much they're for sale or have sold for. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. I will take boxes in this price range over a $1,000 box any day. I don't know why the boxes in this price range are better, but they generally are. Looks like we have one pair of loose shoes. Let me grab it here. The Jordan 3, it is a size 11. This is the Cyber Monday Air Jordan 3. It's basically an all black upper with a white midsole and a white outsole. This shoe is worn, obviously. A little bit of creasing on the toe box. Got some wear on the outsole. Very, very little star loss. These are in good shape, they just have no box. There's a little bit of insole wear, which you probably won't be able to see, but hey, that's cool. I mean, it's a simple colorway. If you're into matching your outfits, I guess this will work with most anything. But yeah, probably 80 to 100 bucks of value in here. So there's your first shoe out. Size 11, Jordan 3 Cyber Monday from like 2015 or 16 something, I don't remember. Hey, if you're interested in that shoe or any of the other shoes in this box, go to sbmitch.com at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time and purchase them if you want to buy them. Or don't, whichever. Every other shoe has a box. This is a size 10.5 Zoom KD10. I think this might be signed by Kevin Durant. Maybe? Or maybe it was signed by someone that wanted to practice their Kevin Durant signature. These are, I don't know if these are called Oreo or something like that. So this is a used pair, size 10.5. It's just like a white and black colorway. Pretty simple. The outsole is kind of wild. There's not much wear or anything. The only bummer about this shoe, there are no insoles. I don't know if it's picking it up, but there's no insoles in the shoe. But these are kind of cool looking. It's a size 10.5. I don't really know if there's value in KDs. The only Kevin Durant model I know of that's worth anything are the Nerfs. There you go, size 10.5. KD10 with no insoles. I don't think they're called Oreo. They're probably just like a white and black colorway. Let's get this Adidas box out of the way. We got a size 7.5 ZX500 RM, whatever the heck that means. Nope, this is a replacement box. This is an okay shoe, actually. It's a size 5, so it's a really good size, too. They are worn, however, but pretty decent shape. We got a pair of the Cream Yeezy. These are in really great shape. I mean, you can see there's very little outsole wear, a little bit of dirt and stuff. Insole, there's nothing missing, so that's pretty cool. I mean, this is a perfect time to get a shoe like this because summer is right around the corner, and 3 colorways of the Yeezy 350 V2 that will always sell are any kind of black, cream, or zebras. I don't know why. I don't personally like them, but that's a really good shoe to get. No box though, just a replacement box. Size 5, Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Hem colorway. Got a size 9.5. No, we don't. This is a replacement box on another shoe. We got a size 10 Air Jordan 3 in the Wolf Gray colorway. This is a really nice colorway, actually. And these are actually really, really lightly worn. I mean, you can see there's just a little bit of creasing on the toe box. Hardly any insole wear. Jumpman is fully in there along with the size sticker. Just a little bit of outsole wear, so it's in good shape. Very little to no star loss. These are in great shape, just no box. It's a size 10, very simple colorway. I really like this metallic aspect of the cement brim. I think that's pretty cool, but here you go. Wolf Gray 3s in a size 10 with a replacement box. So we got 4 down and we have 4 more to go. We got a size 8.5 Air Jordan 3 Retro. This is a pair that I've heard a lot about, and I've seen them a bunch, but I've never seen them in hand. It's a size 8.5, so this is probably the correct box. These are the Chlorophyll 3s, the colorway inspired by the Air Trainer 1. This is a really nice colorway. The outs, the midsole, and some of the mudguard area is like this sailish kind of colorway. The upper is either nubuck or suede or something. These are really nice. I'm a little bit impressed. These are going for way under retail right now though. There's very little insole wear. You got a full Jumpman going on, and yeah, good size, good looking shoe. I don't know what the value is on it, but can't really complain about this. Size 8.5, Chlorophyll 3s. This box is great. I already like this box a lot. Got a size 8.5 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Yep, there's an insert, so we know what this is. Got a size 8.5 pair of the 2012 release that has the inserts, shoe trees, whatever they're called, Red 11s. These just retroed the last year, holiday, so they definitely took a little bit of a hit. There's some creasing, there's some outsole wear. I mean, it's in good shape. Just a little bit older, so size, what'd I say, 8.5? It's a great size. Jordan 11, bred from 2012. All right, 2 more in here. A size 12 Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Special Edition. Yeah, these are hardly worn. I think this is just like the laser colorway. It's got this like laser etching all over the upper. White midsole, gum outsole, a little bit of wear. There is, again, little to no star loss on these. These are in great shape. It's a simple colorway, I'm sure. It's a nice simple colorway. I don't know what the value is on these. It could be good or it could be bad. I don't really know. But again, it's a Jordan 4. It's a nice simple colorway. These are gonna sell. These are gonna sell pretty quick. So size 12, Jordan 4, laser colorway, I think. And we got one more in here. Oh, it's a size 12 Air Jordan 11 Retro. I can tell what it is already. We got a pair of the 2019 release of a shoe that we already opened, just a different year. Red 11s. This is the most recent release, obviously, as I just said. These are, got a little bit of outsole wear, some creasing on the toe box, not a whole lot. Got the original shoe trees in here, so that is good. These are in decent shape. One of the most classic Air Jordan 11s and just Air Jordan shoes in general. It's not very often I get to do this kind of thing, but you can see the difference in the cut of the patent leather, especially on the lateral side. Just an interesting take. This is more OG than anything. Huh, cool. But this is a really good size for a Jordan 11, size 12, and these are really lightly worn. They'll clean up really nicely, and they'll be for sale. So there you go. Size 12, Jordan 11, the bread colorway from 2019 is your last shoe out. This box is awesome. I'm a big fan of this box. This price range never seems to disappoint. But let's break it down and take a look at the numbers and see what's going on here.
Break it down!
I think this box is really good. I'm really impressed. There's a lot of easily movable models in here. Granted, a lot of them don't have the original box, but I don't think that's gonna really affect the value too much. But again, this price range is killing it. So I'm into it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And then also at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, if you're interested in buying any of these shoes, check out sbmitch.com. They will all be there unless they sell on GOAT first, which probably won't happen because GOAT is moving like molasses in the middle of January. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoy what's going on here, remember to like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, dislike. That way you don't have to see it much anymore. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great rest of your day. Have a good weekend. And remember, make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. All right. See you later. Bye.